Hi! Ever wondered how to easily calculate compound interest or growth rate over time? Let me show you how product and product is in a DAX make this calculation a breeze. These two are help us to have a efficient calculation in financial and also with these two we increase our performance and avoid any complex measure. Easiest way to handle the situation in a large data set. Let's dive into our scenario is compound interest calculation for investment growth. Investment will be changed every year depend on interest rate. So when we want to calculate compound means that based on the many years, so it even the 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, if we go one plus interest rate, year one, year two, year three, it's very complicated. What's the solution? By using product instead of manually multiply interest rate, we have very easy calculation. Let's look together. By using product instead of by using product, this formula multiplies all the interest rate in one go, streamlining the process and make it is easy to calculate compound growth across any number of years. We would like to analyze business revenue growth for several years. Each year's revenue is influenced by different growth factors such as market expansion, increased sales, promotional campaign. We need to calculate total revenue after applying various growth share for each year. What we can do? Shall we go? There is like a formulation and write it down here. It's very complex. We have easiest way. We can see the next slide. Without product X, we have to calculate growth year by year and manually adjust each factor. That's make complex as we saw it before. So simplify by product X that help us iterate over a table of revenue and growth factors. In this formula, we calculate total revenue growth. Product X take each row in the revenue growth factor table, multiply the revenue by corresponding growth factor, and return the total revenue growth in a one streamlined calculation.